Today we're going to read the Scholastic News. Do you want to build a snowman? If you have yours, go ahead and go grab it so you can follow along. Do you want to build a snowman? My name is Daniel. I love building things with snow. Could you build a snowman this tall? I can show you how. 4 tips for building a snowman. As you read, think about one new thing you learned in each tip. So keep this in mind if you haven't wrote your snowman directions yet. Tip 1, test the snow. First, I find out if it is the right kind of snow. Not all kinds of snow are good for building. I make a tight snowball in my hands. If the ball falls apart, the snow is too dry. The snow must be a bit wet. The ball stayed together. It is the right kind of snow. Tip 2, make a base. Next, I make a big base. The base is the bottom ball of the snowman. I make a big snowball with my hands. I roll the ball along the ground. I roll it one way, then I roll it another way. Rolling it different ways makes the base big and round. Tip 3, make a flat top. Then, I make the top of the base flat. I use my hands to smooth out the ball. This helps the second ball stay on the base. It won't roll off. This will make my snowman sturdy. A sturdy snowman will not fall over. As you can see right here, there's a picture where the base of it is flat. Tip 4, spray it with water. Finally, my snowman is done. But there is one last thing I do. I fill a spray bottle with cold water. I spray water all over my snowman. This makes a layer of ice around it. The layer helps keep the snowman frozen longer. It won't melt so quickly. Snow and tell. Let me show you some amazing things that can be built with snow. There's some snow cats, snowman and his snow dog, an upside down snowman, and a sandman? If you live in a warm place, try building it with sand. A sandman won't melt. All right, on the back here, there are snowman riddles. So read each riddle. Which snowman does it tell about? You're going to write A, B, C, or D once I've read it. So number 1 says, this snowman has 2 buttons. It has a carrot nose. It has a blue hat. Which one is it? Can you figure out which one has 2 buttons, a carrot nose, and a blue hat? I'm going to go ahead and write its letter right here. Number 2 says, this snowman has a blue hat. It has 3 buttons. It has no nose. Which one is it? Number 3, this snowman has a carrot nose. It doesn't have buttons. It has a hat with polka dots on it. And the last one says, this snowman has 2 buttons. It has a carrot nose. It has a red hat. All right, so once you are done, you can take a picture of this if you want, or just click the green button to let me know you are done.